Today I will show you how to set up Cookiebot banner properly step by step. So let's start. So first of all I need is go to the domain section. So just click domain. Then you can see already I am add my domain. Then go to the configuration. Just select configuration. Then you can see two type design like layout. So two type layout banner like dialog and bar. If you want you can use dialog and bar. So I recommended dialog because this is space big, so try to use that. Then if you want to design this banner you can do no problem. Then go to the content section. Then if you want to content or if you want to add language you can do this, no problem. So I adjust my name testing purpose and just save change because I already saved change, that's why I not show this. It's okay. Then go to the your implementation section. Just click in implementation section and you can see CPM banner and cookie declaration. So I just select CPM banner because I want to set up a CPM banner, that's why I select that. And you can see two options like auto blocking and manual blocking. So I use in manual blocking, that's why I select that. Then you can see this code like Cookiebot code, script code. So I use that, that's why go to the your Google Tag Manager account. So this is my Google Tag Manager account and I need a tag like Cookiebot template tag, that's why I select this new tag. Then you can see tag configuration. Then just select is cookie like COOKI. Then you can see CPM template tag is show, so that's why I select that. Then you can see Cookiebot ID need and it is always try to enable because this is very important for you. That's why I need a Cookiebot ID, right? So go back your Cookiebot account. Then you can see CBI ID. Just copy this CPI ID. Then go there like your Google Tag Manager account. Just paste here and just trigger section select just consent initialization. And if you want you can tag name, so I just save. Then you can see tag name is Cookiebot CMP, then save. And I check this banner is properly working or not, that's why I select preview. Then connect. And any audience or customer or visitor visit my site, you can see my cookie board is properly active because my cookie privacy is already you can see. Then if you want you can go back my Google Tag Assistant account. Then you can see when is set like consent, this is granted like first time consent is not granted like denied it. Then when I set up properly then consent is granted and installation is properly current status is granted and on page update is granted. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you need any help or service or anything you can feel free contact me. Thank you so much. See you another video. Till then take care.